Hey there, business owners. Have you ever felt like your business is growing faster than you can keep up with? Trust me, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into why businesses struggle with CRM and how to overcome it. Let's get started. When you first launch a business, it's all about hustle, right? But as you grow, things get complicated quickly. Suddenly, keeping track of customer details, follow-ups, and tasks becomes a full-time job. That's where many businesses hit a wall. They realize that their initial approach just doesn't cut it anymore. Let's look at some common struggles. First, lost customer details. Information scattered across platforms and team members' minds leads to confusion and missed opportunities. Second, dropped communications. Without a central tracking system, messages and follow-ups get overlooked. Third, wasted time on manual tasks. Teams spend hours logging information manually instead of engaging with customers. Fourth, inconsistent customer experiences. Each interaction feels disconnected, frustrating everyone involved. Fifth, guesswork decisions. Without reliable data, business leaders are left guessing what's working, making growth uncertain. Sixth, ineffective customer outreach. Businesses miss opportunities to nurture potential sales without timely, personalized messages. And lastly, internal miscommunication. Departments operating in silos can't collaborate effectively, leading to duplicated efforts or overlooked tasks. But here's the good news. CRM systems are designed to tackle these problems head-on. With a CRM, lost customer details become a thing of the past. All your customer interactions and details are centralized in one place. Dropped communications? Not anymore. A CRM tracks every interaction, ensuring nothing is missed. Wasting time on manual tasks? CRMs automate routine tasks, freeing up your team to focus on what really matters. Inconsistent customer experiences? Gone. With instant access to customer history, teams provide personalized support every time. Guesswork decisions? Say hello to data-driven insights. With clear reports and analytics, you can understand what works and why. Ineffective outreach? CRMs offer marketing automation, sending targeted communications based on customer behavior and preferences. Internal miscommunication? A CRM enhances collaboration by making it easy to share information across teams. So why do businesses thrive when adopting CRM solutions? Because they centralize information, improve communication, increase productivity, and provide consistent customer service. They also enable smarter decision-making, personalized marketing, and unified teamwork. Ultimately, CRMs help you streamline operations, foster meaningful connections, and create loyal, satisfied customers. It's not just about adopting another tool, it's about investing in your company's future growth and stability. Ready to transform your business? Start exploring CRM solutions today and see the immediate difference it can make in your operations and your bottom line. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips and insights. Until next time, stay successful.